Hey, welcome to this Windows channel and quick little update to the build of the Windows Insider Previews. Build 17074.1002 has been released. And so basically it's the same build as last week, 17074, but they fixed two things. They fixed, some of you couldn't upgrade because you had the virtualization active in your BIOS, so it prevented the install to work. And if you had an AMD machine, that build was not running and not going to you guys because the Meltdown and Spectre fixes are in the Insider builds, and they would prevent your computer from booting if you had an AMD processor. That is also fixed. So that's what's happening today, and that is what explains why some of you didn't have the build of 17074 last week. So that's the minor update going on. So basically it's rolling out for everybody, so even if you're on Intel, whatever, this is rolling out. So just activate your Insider Preview updates and that update will roll through with your machine. It is rolling through my machine right now, 17072.1002, and basically it fixes a few little things. And of course, for those that didn't have the build, well, now you'll have the chance to get 17074, and it explains why we don't have a major build this week. Kind of wanted to, they wanted to have this kind of roll out so that everybody's on the same ground, and now from, now on we can move ahead at the same pace. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and hope you enjoy the build for those that didn't see it yet.